Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Most Android phones do not provide full hardware virtualization today. You need emulation to run a full virtual machine. The realistic and reliable method is to use QEMU or a dedicated VM app. This method works on rooted and non-rooted devices with different workflows. Plan to allocate 2 GB to 4 GB of storage for a minimal system image. Also reserve at least 1 GB RAM for acceptable responsiveness. Install Termux or a dedicated VM app from the Play Store or F-Droid. Then install QEMU binaries inside Termux or use the app's built-in emulator. Download a minimal Linux image such as Debian net install, sized between 500 MB and 2 GB. Create a virtual disk image file and set appropriate permissions. Assign 1 GB RAM and an 8 GB virtual disk for a usable desktop experience. Keep swap off unless you understand performance trade-offs and wear on flash storage. Launch the VM with QEMU SystemArch 64 using M1024 and SMP2 for sensible defaults. Use drive file equals disk. IMG and enable Vertio drivers when available for better disk and network throughput. Configure display scaling to 16:9 for comfortable UI layout and touch mapping. Limit background Android apps and stop heavy services before starting the VM. Monitor CPU and temperature, and prefer wired power to prevent thermal throttling and unexpected shutdowns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.